Alright guys, this is David with DC Appliance Repair, and what I've run across today is going to blow your mind, okay? Come to the customer's house and the pump was being a little loud, acting crazy. It was just running, and the control panel here was just, the lock button was just staying lit up, okay? So we went through the ringer, checking the pump, checking everything out, and what happened was, come to find out, the hot water heater don't have no hot water heater running into the machine. And so on this particular machine, what happens is if the water's not coming in, it will shut itself down and go into a safety mode, and the pump will continue to run and the control board will lock. So what you got to actually do is plug the machine up and let it run for approximately 8 to 10 minutes, and it will clear it out. Blows my mind. But hey, we got it fixed, and I'm bringing it to you live on how to fix it. This is David DC Appliance Repair. Y'all have a good day.